Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to today's video. So I have wet hair at the moment, but that is because a few videos ago I reviewed the Dyson Airwrap and I gave you guys like my thoughts and stuff like that. So the Dyson comes with this like standard size barrel, which is actually pretty small. So I was just browsing the Dyson website and I found on there that they make bigger barrels. So let me show you. I think these are 1.2 inches, I'm not sure. But this is what the longer barrel looks like, which actually looks like a standard wand. So the two side by side, there is a significant difference. So in my opinion, this size barrel gives me more of like little bouncy, like little waves like that. And I'm hoping that this one gives me more like curly waves and that sort of effect. So I found these on the Dyson website. You do get two of them. So obviously you have the two that go in the opposite direction. So there's two of them, just like you get with the full Dyson kit. They were $50, so no, they actually weren't $50. It was $39.99, then it was $50 after like shipping and taxes and that stuff. So I was expecting any attachment for this to be super, super expensive. So I was pleasantly surprised when these were only $39.99. The only thing that made it super expensive, or kind of expensive, was the shipping and the tax and stuff. But for the actual product itself, that is not bad. So I'm going to be testing out these barrels today because I want to see, as I just drop it and break it, right? So it's not broken, thank God. All right, but yeah, so I'm going to be testing out those size barrels today because I do want to see if there's a difference, because my hair gets really caught on this. Like, I don't have super long hair, but I have like medium length hair, and when the Dyson is grabbing like my hair, it kind of does like scrunch up and get like crunchy and just like frizzy because this isn't long enough. So I'm super excited to test these out and see if that happens with these. So my hair is pretty much, my hair dries super, super quick. So I have to work quickly when I do these videos because my hair is like, the front of my hair is practically like bone dry already. I'm going to attach the rough dryer to just kind of dry my roots really, really quick, give them a little bit more of a dry. So the top of my hair is pretty much dry, so I am going to section off my hair. This is how I've been doing it pretty much all the time. I pretty much section off my hair and do the bottom first, and then I go ahead and do the top. So I'm just going to section it off. I'm going to rough dry a little bit of the roots on the bottom half of my hair because I really was just focusing on the top just now, so I'm going to do that really quick. Really hoping that these barrels are like game changing. I really have been enjoying the Dyson. I know in that other video that I uploaded about 2 weeks ago, I was like kind of iffy on it, but I've gotten like the hang of it a little bit more. I've literally been using it every single day, and I have been liking how it does my hair. I personally, for my hair, I like more of like a straight wave, or like a wave. I don't like too tight curls. I actually did like an experiment yesterday. I'm back to work now, so I'm like, that's why my videos are kind of scattered, but I did an experiment for work yesterday, and I used my wand instead of my Dyson, and I really didn't like my hair. I was like, whoa, I don't like these like curls that start all the way up here. My hair kind of looks thinner. So I am really, really adapting to the Dyson. So yeah, so I am going to start on my left side. I always start on this side. It's just, I don't know, I'm a creature of habit. So I am going to have the arrows pointing away from my face. So super excited to test this out. Let's see. My hair is pretty much on like the damp side. So I always start from the back. It's how I've always done my hair, whether it's with the Dyson or with the wand. So I'm just going to turn it on. I have been, for the most part, letting the Dyson actually grab the hair itself. So this is how I pretty much do it all the time if I have to. The only reason I feel like I would ever wrap my hair with these barrels is just because they were so little. I'm hoping I won't have that issue with these, but we'll see. I do have the heat setting all the way up, and I do have the speed setting all the way up for the Dyson. So this is what the curl looks like. This was a shorter piece of my hair. This is kind of how it looks with the other barrels, but that was a shorter piece of my hair. So as I get more to the front, it should get longer, so we'll see. One thing I do want to say that I am noticing right away is that the Dyson is grabbing my hair a lot easier. Like it's not, my hair isn't getting caught up like up here in the very, very top of it or in the bottom. It's kind of just, this is just grabbing it a little bit easier. So that's a plus for me. Alright, so right now it is looking pretty similar to how the smaller barrel looks. I just think it grabs my hair easier because of the length of this barrel. Alright, so this is what this longer piece looks like, and it is longer. Like the actual curl itself is longer than what it would be with the smaller barrel. One thing I will say about the Dyson, it is a little bit more time consuming than me just wanding my hair, because with the wand I can literally just close my eyes and wand my hair. This is a little bit more time consuming, but I do like the results a little bit better. Alright, so this is how one side of my hair is looking. The curls do look a little bit like longer. Usually they're like super like chunky, not chunky, but like just super, just small like that. So this is how this side is looking. So now I'm going to switch the barrel and I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. The right side of my hair is always more frustrating to me just because I part my hair to the right. So I have a lot more hair on this side than on my left side. So it gets pretty frustrating on this side. So I am done with the bottom section of my hair. One thing I want to say off the bat, it is curlier. So usually by this point, this side would be like practically completely fallen, which it is, like don't get me wrong, but it's a little bit more bouncier and curlier. So I'm excited to see how everything turns out. So I'm just going to take the clip out and just brush my hair up top really quick. Alright, so I just switched the barrel because I'm going to do my left side. Oh my god, I keep knocking everything over. But I just switched the barrel because I am going to do my left side now.
Shadow light, shadow light. Woo!
So this is how my hair looks totally finished. Honestly, it's a lot curlier than what it would be using the little barrel. So I'm going to brush it out now. First, I'm going to spray it with some Tresemme texture finishing spray. And for hairspray, I always use this one, this Aussie one. I get mine from like Target for like $5 or $6, and then I just spray it in my brush like that. And I just casually comb through my hair. So let's see. So this is my hair totally finished. Let me know down below if you guys have ever even seen the longer attachments, because I've never seen anybody talk about them. They're not listed on Sephora's website. It's because Sephora doesn't sell them, only Dyson sells them. So if I was never on the Dyson website, I would have never seen these, but super happy that I discovered them and that I now have them. Let me know down below if you guys own the Dyson Airwrap and you actually do have the longer attachments. But yes, let me know what you guys think of my hair. I definitely do think it looks more curly and more like voluptuous. So I always say voluptuous, but I mean to say voluminous. Voluptuous is like a curvy girl, and then voluminous is like voluminous hair, whatever. Anyways, so yeah, that is all I have for you guys in this video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and to subscribe to my channel. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will hopefully catch you guys in my next video. Bye!